A Rolling Stone magazine report claiming Canadian authorities had told the US they'd picked up banging noises every 30 minutes coming from the deep. The Explorers Club, which counts 2 of the missing as its members, then claimed likely signs of life have been detected.
Since Sunday, the Coast Guard has coordinated search efforts with the U.S. and Canadian Coast Guard, Air National Guard aircraft, and the Polar Prince, which have searched a combined 7,600 square miles, an area larger than the state of Connecticut.
We've had one of the worst springs on record, the worst spring since 1943, which of course is bad enough being on land. It's absolutely terrible being 600 kilometers off our shores. We're talking, 12-foot waves, heavy fog, very difficult search and rescue conditions.
But we knew this was going to happen at some point along the way, and knew darn well it would. And we knew all the difficulties there would be about how do you recover from that. If the sub is stuck on a shipwreck, if they lose batteries, if they're caught on the bottom some other way. And nothing was done about it.